some, give me answer. All you want some, do you know I want you?
What's up, seashells? It's Shelby and I am back with another video. I'm telling this from now. I want to hurry up under this because I'm gonna have to turn off the fan for this because the breeze and everything, you know, the camera, you can't hear anything, and I'm not able to do no whole heap of editing for cut out the fan. I can't bother. As you can see by the title, I am here to give you a haul, a long-awaited haul that people have actually asked me for, because people always just say, where you find clothes to fit you? Where you clothes, da da da. Because I am the advocate for cheap and clean. Like me believe say, if me buy something cheap, nobody don't need to know say it cheap, because I'm gonna rock the hell out of it. Period. Like me not feel like me need to spend a bag of money on clothes and wear them like once or twice. I'm not saying that I don't want to buy quality things, and I know quality things are more expensive, which is perfectly fine, but if I can find a cheaper alternative that is just as good, you know, the quality is just as good, then why not? After I'm work, I'm a college student, I need to save my money for other things. Clothes are important, of course. This is why I buy the cheap and clean. You gotta think. Alright, so I got a bunch of stuff from Shein and I put it in this little bag right here. So if you want to see where I shop and get the cheap and clean things to fit me properly, no, bite mine. No. Anyways, without further ado, let's get on into this video. Alright, so the first thing we're going to start off with is the dress that I have on right now. It is the crisscross backless rib knit bodycon dress. Yeah, I had to pull up each thing specifically so I could give you the specifics of the dress, even though I'm going to put the link in the description. Anyways, and I'll put the prices on the screen. Can't bother. So this, I got this in an extra small. Black, as you can see, and it is very short. Like every walk it just starts right up under my body, and it's kind of annoying, but the fit is perfect. Like I was so shocked that I didn't have to go to a tailor and take in nothing, and it does make me look like neat, like nickel neat preps, you know. I don't know what I just did. I don't know what that felt, but yeah. I personally like to read the detail section, like to see how it's going to fit me. So I have to look at the type of material and I have to check, like, is it stretchy, is it not stretchy, so I know what size to buy or whatever. So I'm also going to put my size in the description, so maybe that can help you guys, because people don't do that. Like people just expect me to look on them and know what them size, and then make us say, oh, it can fit me. No, I need a size, girl, so I can know. You understand? Alright, so that's the first dress. We got this right here, and this is a two-piece set. It is the Shein, well, obviously it's the drop shoulder velvet pullover and cycling short set. It is velvet. It is, honestly, this is the best quality piece of clothing I have ever gotten from Shein. Like, it feels so durable, it's stretchy, it has a thick, like the material is thick. This will definitely keep me warm. And even though I got in a size small, I believe, or extra small, I don't remember what size I got. I'll put it in the description. It's still kind of big, but I like it that way. It's like oversized. But I'm tell you, material nice, quality nice. Shein, you did your thing with this one. However, I don't really like how the shorts fit. It kind of fits a little bit big, and it's weird. Like I don't know. The fit is just weird to me, and I think like the band, like this band right here, is a little bit too thick for my liking, and I don't have any bottom, so it doesn't really make me look like a pancake. We got another two-piece set, which is in white. Looks like this. Here is the top. It is the tie neck off-shoulder crochet top and skirt set. This was amazing. Like, I wanted to wear something like to the beach, or actually I just saw it and I thought I'd like it. I don't really like skirt sets, to be honest, but I thought it was cute. The skirt, however, I got the skirt in I got the whole thing in extra small. The top fit perfectly. No, first bite, no dog. Why tonight? Even though I got an extra small, I wanted it to be more fitted, like the waist for me. It was still a little bit big. Alright, like it fit, but I just personally wanted it tighter, so I got it taken in right there and right there. Nothing too fancy. I feel like cutting them out now, but it don't matter. Like, it's stretchy, so it really doesn't even matter if it's still taken in. So the next piece I have is this white rib knit crop top. I've never worn it. Oh no, I got makeup on it. I was trying to avoid that. Oh well. Yeah, so just looks like this. It's really soft and it's like really flowy and light. It fits really well in my opinion, but it is see-through for some reason. And I really don't know what kind of bra to wear under it, because I tried not wearing a bra under it and you can see everything under it. So how I would wear this, as you can see on the screen, I paired it with this two-tone, how do you pronounce this, gingham print dress, I don't know, which is this. I got it in an extra small, and it's low-key a little bit big on the sides right here. Like, this extra piece of material could have been just inside like that. I don't know what it's for. And the back kind of want to take in some more. Yeah, I just like my clothes to be tight. This material, it's not that, like, it's stretchy, but it's not that stretchy. Like, it won't suck you in like this dress. You have more movement in this dress, and it's not as short as this black one, so that's a plus. You know, you don't have to worry about everyone seeing your booty when you're walking. Then we have this Marled pockets long cardigan. Like, so teeth out your man, sticks come up. Anyways, this is like a charcoal color, so it's not like, well, it's charcoal to me because it's not black, and it's I am very bad at explaining things. This is why I like try on hauls, so you can just look at it and see. Okay, yeah, it's really stretchy, by the way, and I love that it has pockets, and it comes all the way down to like probably mid-thigh, I think so. Yeah, next. Now we got this tie right here. This is one of my favorite pieces. This is a basic piece, but it says, "Thou shalt not try me, mood 24/7." It's just a basic t-shirt. Like, I like wearing t-shirts to school, so I just figured I'd pick up a basic t-shirt. I got it. Woo! Mercy. I got it in a size small. I don't remember if they had extra small, but even if they did, I wouldn't have taken it in an extra small because I like my t-shirts a little bit biggish, a little bit oversized, because that's just how I dress. You see how low my face up because of these damn bikes? Irritating. Next, we have this army green ripped crop t-shirt. I'm mad about this shirt because when it said, you know, I'm dumb though, because it's like, I saw the picture. I literally saw the picture of how the shirt would look, and when it came I was still disappointed because I was thinking it should have more rip than this. Like, and furthermore, all of the rip them in the back. I want them in the front. I want them in the front. So more than likely, I am going to be putting some more rips or holes in it. But you know what? Maybe I might leave it. It's nice. It's nice. It's nice. It's a nice little army green color, and it's really light and stretchy. Like, I realized that almost everything that I got was like stretchy, and I personally like the sleeves rolled up. I'm just saying. That's just me. Next, when Snakeskin was in, I ain't had none, so I decided that I was going to buy something that was snakeskin. So this is the mock neck snakeskin print fitted top. I don't understand why Shein clothes them need to have such a long name. Like, why? It is not necessary. You can't just call it a snake print. Alright, yeah, it kind of necessary. It is a mock neck snake print crop top. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, so for you guys that don't know, a mock neck is different from a turtleneck, because a mock neck would come like here, like half your neck, and a turtleneck would come more like up here. I hate turtlenecks and I prefer mock necks, and sometimes I don't even like mock necks, and I end up putting the neck part, like folding it under so it can like rest on here. But that's just me. Next, so this set, this floral set, this is the floral print knot front top with shorts. As you can see, I literally had to, it comes like this, and then I had to like put it on and tie it myself. I am not sure, like I couldn't figure out like other ways to tie it because I don't know, I just couldn't. And the shorts were a bit big, like yeah, even though it was a small, they were huge. Like, they were falling on my waist, and I wanted them, no, they were falling on my hips, and I wanted it more on my waist, like up to my belly button. So I had to take it in, and underneath the crotch area it was way too long, so I also had to get that tailored and taken in. So keep that in mind. Also, this is very see-through, and it is more like a sheer material, so it's really just very thin. Not a huge fan, but to wear to the beach or something like that, then that's fine, because I'm not really like a whole lot of clothes on me or tight clothes on me when I'm going to the beach, because that don't make sense. Alright, then I got, oh my god, these are my favorite shorts. Like, if you know me, I wear them shorts I go everywhere. You know why? Because I could never find shorts. I've never bought a pair of shorts in Jamaica before. But you know why? They never have my size. They don't have my size. And you know what I have to do to get shorts? Cut my pants. And guess what? I barely have pants that can't fit me. So I was just, you know, recycling the same old stuff that I've had since I was 10. Because guess what? My clothes from I was 10 can still fit me. But that's not what this is about today. Alright? Fine. So these are the raw edge skinny denim shorts. I got this for $5, honey, $5. And I got this in a size small. They were a little bit big, just like this much big, and I had to get them taken in. Other than that, amazing. I love these shorts. They're stretchy, they're comfortable. Like, sometimes I roll up, like I roll this up to make it look like a whole different pair of shorts. Like, Shein, you did that with these shorts. I bought some other shorts off of Shein though, and they said they were a size small, and they were, I know them can't fit a medium. The sizes are off, and I don't think people really buy their denim bottoms, because I couldn't find any reviews, or if I did find the reviews, like the smalls fit people where them waist size is like 30 and them something there. My waist is a 24, 25. I'm lying. It's a 25, 26, I think. I don't know, but my waist little. all right? And that's anyways, moving on. And the last thing that I have is this pink romper, which is super cute. It is a extra small. It has the nice little cutout detail at the stomach, and then you have the string to tie it or whatever. And I don't remember what it's called because I didn't look for it just now, and I am tired and I'm kind of fed up of this whole shenanigans stuff. I want to turn on my fan, I want to drink some water, my throat dry, everything. God, my sorry for complaining, but woo! Ooh, child. Lord, if you're not busy. That's it for this video. I just really wanted to do this haul. One, not because I'm trying to show off clothes, because I'm really love my clothes, but I know a lot of people that are my size that struggle with finding clothes, and I don't know why people on the internet don't want to tell people where them shop. Like, there's anyways, whatever. I'm here to put y'all on and all of that stuff. And for us manga girls, I am here for you. I am the advocate. I will be shopping and telling you guys where to get the stuff, so you can do little to no tailoring on the clothes them, because we're tired. So my best friend just texted me and asked me when am I dropping a video. If you like this video and you want more videos like this, you know, you want the more manga girl haul, skinny girl hauls, all of that, then please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And thank you guys so much for 5K. Like, that meant the world to me that I finally reached 5K. Like, I know it's not a lot to some people, but it's a lot to me. Like, when I reach 100, when I reach 1,000, I reach 5K. Hopefully by the end of this year I can get to 10K, you know what I'm saying? I don't know, maybe consistency. I don't know her, but yeah, I feel like this outro is very long. I'm gonna need to stop talk. So thanks for watching, and see you in the next one, which will hopefully be soon, because I don't know, I'm a busy girl. So yeah.
Shein.